Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I have a exciting video for you today. So Madame Glam reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to do a review for them. So they sent me a little package and they've also given me a 30% off discount code, which is amazing. I will put it on the screen, but it's Karina's ND30-1. So I will put that on the screen, and I also have a link in the description box which will take you to the Madame Glam website, and the discount code is automatically activated. And if you don't want to become a VIP member, then check out as pay as you go. So yep, I will leave all the information down below anyway. And they also are having a 50% off sale at the moment, today and tomorrow. You have to purchase a minimum of 3 polishes, which you can easily do. I think it's amazing, so definitely take full advantage of that 100%. And I'm pretty sure I have seen a couple of videos, pretty sure the pudding gels are available as well. So definitely, if you want to try any of Madame Glam's stuff or you want to add to your collection, definitely head over there, definitely. So they sent me a little lamp, which I'm going to use today. I love these little lamps. I love the packaging. It's really, really nice. So these lamps are so handy. Really, really handy. So you get your little leaflet on how it works, which is great. And it comes with this cable, which is a really, really good length. And I like that it's the flat cable as well. I really like that. So as I said, I mean, this is a really, really good length. So it's really, really good. And these are really, really handy to put in your bag. You know, if you kind of like break a nail or something like that, you could quickly grab this out, quickly do your repair and do it. Or you can use it when you're doing like your press-on nails or flash cures. It's really, really good. So it closes up, so really good on space saving. And you have your button there, and you have the Madame Glam logo, which I think is awesome. So let me just try and grab something, which I cannot find anything. Hang on. So these are the legs. So it's good height. I like that. You've got enough room to put your nails under, and obviously you'd cure your thumb separately, but I really like that. I like that. It's cute. So let's have a look and see what I got. So I could pick any 3 colours that I wanted. So oh, I'm so excited. I changed my mind, so I'm not sure what colours I've got. So we will find out together. Let me just open the box. Okay, I got it open, so let's have a look. Ooh, I do love their packaging. I really do. So these are going to probably live in here. They might do. So they are, as you can see on the bottle, they are 21 free formula, HEMA free as well, cruelty free, and also palm oil free. And they are certificated as a vegan, and these are the ingredients if you want to have a look. And I like that they've got the directions on the bottle as well. So they cure in an LED light for 30 seconds and a UV light for 2 minutes. And I love the bottles, I really do. So this is the base coat, 15ml, and this is the top coat, again 15 mils. And again, you have your instructions on there as well. So these are the colours. Yes, these are the colours that I picked. So first off, I picked Smelly Cat because I don't know, I'm a Friends fan. So this is what the colour looks like. So this will be the swatch video, and then I will do a design with them. So it's a really, really, oh, it's so pretty. It's like a pastel yellow. It's really, really pretty. And then I ordered cherry petals, and this is from their new collection. So this is the colour of this one. I tried to pick some colours that I could use for, you know, different sort of seasons. So that is absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's so pretty. And then the last one is blueberry cream. Let me just move this out of the way. So the last one is blueberry cream. I haven't rubbed these in my hands, I probably should have done. Oh wow, and that is such a pretty blue. So if you're any of these colours that you like, head on over to the website. Right, I will just get set up and I should be right back. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue base coating them. This base coat's really nice. It's a nice consistency. It's not too thick, but it's not too runny as well, which I like. I just thought I would use everything that come today, everything that they sent me. So thank you so much, Madame Glam. I was like, what? I couldn't believe it. So let me just continue base coating this. Might as well just do it on camera, and then we will try the lamp out as well. I thought we could just try all of it out today, and I thought I would use the long swatch sticks today. So there you go. Curing, we just talk a little bit about the lamp. So the lamp is 6 watts, which is really good. This is how it works. So the default, if you just plug it in and just push it on, the default is 45 seconds. If you push the on off switch once for curing 45 seconds, press a second time for 60 seconds, and the third time switches it off, which is really good. I do really like these little lamps because they are just, they're so handy. So handy to use. This is the VIP stuff that you can get. So you can get free shipping and returns in the US all the time. Gels are 50% off always, including new arrivals, new collections, and many more. And I think it works on like they take so much every month. Even if you don't spend it, it still kind of carries on accumulating. So you can purchase it whenever, you know, whenever you feel you want to buy something or see something that takes your fancy, which I think's great. And yeah. Okay, so they are all cured. So we will start with the one that I pulled out first, which is a Smelly Cat. And if you're a Friends fan, you know that this is from the Friends collection. It's a really pretty colour. It's so nice. I really like it. I really do. So I do like the consistency of the polishes, and the coverage is amazing. The coverage is so good. Oh, really nice. Really nice. So this is the first coat there. I'll just leave that to settle just a little bit. And this lamp cured the base coat, no problems whatsoever, which is really good. So the next one is Cherry Petals, and this is from the new collection. I really like all the colours in the new collection. They're really nice. Look at that, wow. Such a pretty pastel colour. Perfect for this time of year, spring, summer. Oh, so nice. Make sure the camera's focused. So this is the first coat now. Right, I'm going to cure that. And then the third one is blueberry cream. Let's give it a little bit of a rub. It's really cold in my nail room today. Then again, it is cold most days in here. Make sure I'm definitely in frame. Oh, so pretty. Wow. If you haven't checked this collection out, you really should. Other colours are just so pretty. It's a really, really pretty, such a pretty collection, and absolutely perfect for this time of year as well. Perfect for Easter, spring nails, even summer. Beautiful. Really nice coverage. Oh, I love how these just sort of just glide onto the nail. Oh, it's so pretty. So that's the first coat. So I will cure them and then I will come back and do the second coat. Okay. So they cured in 1 minute in the lamp. No problems at all. So we'll just quickly apply the second layer. I can't wait to do a design with these. I really can't. They're such nice colours. Really, really nice. Such amazing polishes. They literally just like glide on. Beautiful. So pretty. So that's 2 coats. It's so pretty. Really is pretty. So I'll put that in. And then that was Smelly Cat. And this is the cherry petals. Coverage is just amazing. Oh, so nice. Really, really nice. A bit of flick. Oh, hang on. So that is the second coat. Absolutely beautiful. It's such a pretty colour. It's really, really nice. And then this is blueberry cream, which is a really nice. I know I've said that about all of them, but they are really, really nice. Really, really nice colours and really good coverage. Obviously, I'm using really long swatch sticks here, so but the coverage is just amazing. Really, really good coverage. Making sure I'm definitely in frame. Got another bit of flick. Come on, get out. Hang on. So that is 2 coats of that one. How pretty is that? Wow. So I will cure these and then I will be back. Okay, so they are all cured. They cure for 2 minutes in this lamp, by the way. So it's really, really good. So we're going to go in with the top coat. So the top coat is a kind of medium thickness top coat, which is really, really nice. I don't know if this cures with a tacky layer or not, like an inhibition layer that you have to wipe off. I'm not sure if it does. We will find that out after we have cured them. So the top coat's really nice as well. I really want to get them that top coat. May have to take advantage of the 50% off sale. I might have to. So that is 2 coats of Smelly Cat. It's so pretty. I really like it. And this is 2 coats of cherry petals. I really, really like these colours. These colours are really, really nice. Really, really nice. I really like them. They're such pretty colours. You have to go over and check out the rest of the colours. They've got like, they've got a lime green one, and oh, they're just so pretty. Really, really pretty colours. I was going to get like a purple hollow, but then I thought, no, get something different. So I went with these. So that is top coated and 2 coats of that one. And we will top coat this one as well. Such pretty colours. I do really like these colours. I like the whole collection of these. They're just such nice pastel colours. Really, really nice. So pretty. All of Madame Glam's polishes are pretty though. And I like the 21 free and Hema free, which is really, really good. Really good. So there you go. So that is that one there. That's the blue one. Right, so I will give these a cure and then I shall come back. Okay, so that's them all cured. Let's see if it has a tacky layer. Yes, it does. So all you do is you literally just get some rubbing alcohol just on a lint-free wipe and just give it a good wipe over. And then when it dries, it will dry shiny. That's literally all you do. Just a very quick wipe over. And of course, rubbing alcohol is perfectly fine to wipe your gems over with as well. So no worry about your, you know, your bling. There's no worry. So yeah, there you go. Absolutely amazing. I love them. And I love the little lamp. So these are the colours. So let's just arrange them a bit. So this is Smelly Cat. So this is 2 coats and it's such a pretty colour. Perfect for like the office or if you just want just a neutral background. Be so pretty. I can't wait to do a design with these. And then this is Cherry Petals. So this is 2 coats and it's a really, really nice pastel pink. It's so pretty. And then this is Blueberry Cream, which is such a pretty blue. So pretty. Thank you so much once again, Madame Glam, for sending me these out for review and giving me a massive discount code. Thank you so much. And yeah, I will get a design done as soon as I can using these. So if you do like one of these, remember it's 50% off sale. I'm going to keep saying it today and tomorrow. So make sure you hop on over there and yeah, grab some if you really like them and have a look at the other ones they've got. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching. And don't forget, I do have a discount code. So I put it on the screen and I will have it in the description box, as well as the link that takes you straight to the Madame Glam website. And my code is automatically activated. So yeah, I will leave all details all down below. And yeah, thank you everybody so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I will do a design very soon. And thank you once again, Madame Glam. And yeah, hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Well, thank you everybody so much for watching today. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.